With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, consider the following statements and select correct set with respect to global warming. Right, so we need to consider these 8 statements which are given to us, and then the select statements from these given options which are related to global warming. Right, so let's start. First one is the El Nino effect. Now what is basically El Nino effect? It affects the global climate, right? And it can cause extreme weather conditions like extreme thunderstorms or extreme drought conditions. And this effect is related to global warming. The changes in the climate that are happening around the globe, they are a result of global warming, right? So this is the correct option, as this effect is related to global warming. Next we have cooling of stratosphere and earth surface. Now this is wrong, because in case of global warming, cooling does not happen. Instead, the temperature should rise, right? Because it is global warming. So this statement is wrong. Third is shifting of climatic zones. This is also right, because the climatic changes, again just like we discussed in the El Nino effect, the shifting of climatic zones. What is basically happening in this concept is that the climatic zones, they are shifting towards the poles, right? The extreme climates, and it is considered that in the tropical areas it would be very extreme weather conditions like extreme drought in the coming years, right? So this is also related to global warming. It is the one of the effects of global warming around the world, right? So this option is also correct. Next we have snow blindness. Now what is snow blindness? It is a defect of cornea, right? Defect of cornea, and it basically happens due to overexposure to UV rays, right? It causes a defect in the vision, but this is not related to global warming, so this is the wrong option. Next we have impairment of hearing. This is also related to, again, noise pollution. This has nothing to do with the global warming, so this is also wrong option. Next we have excessive deposition of ice at poles. Now excessive deposition, if we consider global warming, then there should be melting of the ice at poles due to the rise in temperatures, but not the deposition, right? So this statement is also wrong. It is not related to global warming. Next we have rise in sea level. Now this is again related to global warming, because what is basically happening is, due to the increase in temperature, the ice in the glaciers, or basically the glaciers, they start melting, right? They start melting, and what effect does it has? That the sea level, it rises, right? Rise in sea level. So this is the correct option, because this is related to global warming, right? And the last statement that we have is increase in eutrophication. This is also wrong, because what is basically eutrophication? It is eutrophication is when the water bodies, they are progressively becoming high in nutrients, right? That is called as eutrophication. And how does it happen? It is basically caused by runoff from the farms where fertilizers are used or pesticides are used in excess, and these fertilizers, they enter the water bodies, and the water bodies become progressively enriched with nutrients. But this concept is not related to global warming. Alright, so the options that are related to global warming are, first one, that is the El Nino effect. Then we have shifting of the climatic zones, C part. And then we have the rise in sea level, that is the G part, right? So the correct answer would be option 4, A, C and G. This is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.